What's up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we are with Dexter. We got some Mictuning headlights. They're a little bit different than what we got in Monstros. Stick around, we're gonna show them to you. Welcome back, guys. Today we have some Mictuning headlights. Now, they might look identical to what we put into Monstro, but there's one key feature in this. Dexter, you gotta have the RGB flashing.
Yeah, need my disco lights back.
I mean, come on. I teased him about being Disco Stu because these things were always blinking, and these are from a different company, and they're not doing very well for him. He's having issues with them. Sometimes it'll just be back there winking at you in this little pink headlight, and I'm like, what is he winking for? You don't want that. So we're going to go with these Mictuning. These are going to be RGB. So you're going to be able to change the color on these. You'll be able to use it as a turn signal. There's a lot of different features on this thing that make it a little bit different than what we installed on Monstro, and maybe just a little bit nicer. I don't know. We're going to check them out on Mambo. Speaking of Mambo, you guys haven't seen this thing in a while. Why? V8 swap. You guys know, if you guys are following the channel, you should be watching the V8 series. Unfortunately, we had some hiccups and we weren't able to film as much as we wanted to, but we're going to give you some information on doing this V8 swap and stuff like that in some other videos. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, go hit the like button, and you're going to get all this information down the road. We'll try and give you the best we can. If you have questions, hit us up. We're glad to answer anything you have about doing a Hemi swap. Now, back to these headlights. So we're not going to do a full install on this. We don't see much point in it. I did a pretty good install. We'll do the video will be linked in the description below of our previous install. It's almost identical install. These are pretty much just going to be a functionality looks difference. So we're going to get these things thrown in there and show you what they look like.
Instead of, I'll take the balance resistors out.
So one difference you are going to find is that these have a control box. Now, you can go to just about any one of my Mictuning videos and I show you how to hook up one of these control boxes to either your battery or like a Mictuning switch pod or some kind of thing like that. That's what we did everything to, but it makes it easy. They're just a simple twist-on connection. And like I say, you hook this up the way I've showed you before. So here is something I just noticed that's different. Kudos to Mictuning. I struggled with getting these to stay in and clip. I had to zip tie mine in place. So I sent them a bunch of information and it looks like they listened. So it's not very often you give feedback to a company and they actually listen to you. It's very nice. I like to see that personally. So now, good on you, Mictuning. These things are secure. They don't pull out and you don't have to zip tie them. I mean, it never hurts to give a little backup, but when they work perfectly, there's no reason to. Good job, Mictuning.
There we go.
Just a basic, simple connection like we've done with a lot of their other equipment. Twist and turn. Easy plug in. Mictuning makes this stuff pretty easy for you guys. So it's a simple hookup. Don't forget to adjust these. So once you get done installing these, you're going to want to get it dark and follow the parameters of setting your headlights. I believe it's 25 feet away and you put it up, I think it's like 3 feet up off the ground. You'll have to look at the exact specifics, but you want to set your headlights so you're not blinding oncoming traffic. There's nothing worse than people just blinding people for no reason. So set your headlights where they should be.
I agree.
It's the worst, man. And no, they will not be set properly the first time. I can tell you right now, I've installed 4 of these now, maybe 5. Not one of them has been right. They're close. Sometimes they're very close. I mean, you can kind of get away with it for a day or two if you have to, but just go in and set them properly.
Guess I should make sure they work first, right?
Yes, always test it out. We had light.
It's moving the right direction.
want a 7.3 Godzilla motor from Ford in mine, just cuz.
The only Hemmys you guys are getting is hemorrhoids.
We're at that age.
I
I might have 2.
After today, I have 3.